All right, I'm gonna make another just a quick review video. So as you can see, I have an outside thermostat. It's about probably 15 feet from here, and it's basically telling me that right now outside it's 27 degrees. Now what it doesn't tell you is it's a little bit windy. It's supposed to cool down to about like 18 degrees tonight or so. And in my garage, it is currently 70 degrees, as you can see right here, and that is all because of this TEMPWARE electric heater that I installed here about a month or so ago. I wasn't really going to make a video about this because it was just supposed to be something to do to try to keep the heat, or keep the heat in this garage, or the cool out of it. And it is working extremely well. This is probably the longest that I've run it. I've been running it most of the day while I've been in here working, organizing, all that kind of stuff. You can see I've got it set at about 72. And it's doing a great job. I forget the size of what this exact heater is, but I can put a screenshot up here of the exact one that I got. They do have larger ones and smaller ones as well. Now, you do have to hardwire this in. As you can see, we've got cables coming out here. I had to buy a ton of cable to run through the roof to go over to a fuse panel. I believe I needed a 60 amp breaker to put it into, as well as this pulls like, well, I think it said it pulls like right at 50 amps or something like that. But you do have to have a 240 volt source for it. Now, if you don't want to run it all the way, maybe you already have a 240 volt plug. I have one over here that's unused. This is actually part of where I was able to get my power from, so basically just disabled that. If you've got a 240 plug already, then you can definitely just wire it to that and plug it in right wherever you want to. Comes with the bracket and everything. I already had a nice little support beam that I could mount this thing on. Really easy to adjust. You can mount it anywhere, and it's been working out really well, actually. You can see it's already cut off right now. It does come with this remote here, which I think is clutch. So I don't have to reach up there and adjust anything. I can just do it from here. You can just turn on a fan if you want to. You can have it run on a timer if you want to have it shut off after a certain point. And you can see how easy it is to adjust things. You can see I'll go ahead and just turn it off now. I say that, maybe that, yeah, there we go. And let it do its thing. So if you're looking for a heater for your garage or your workshop, you can see this is about a 2-car garage. I think it's about 25 feet by 30 feet, give or take. Pretty standard 2-car garage size. Now, it's even been helping to actually overflow a little bit of heat into this little workshop that I've got over here. Now, I do have a small space heater in the floor here to try to help with that, but it was staying about 62 or 63 in here, while it was staying about 70 out here in the garage. So I definitely want to get a more powerful heater for here, but I'm not really in here enough for it to matter. Honestly, it just being in the 60s is good enough. So yeah, just a quick little video. Wanted to shout out this heater. If you're looking for something like this, go ahead and pick it up.